Good morning. So it is 10:44 and I am essentially getting myself ready because it is a new season, which means it is a new hairstyle look. So I'm actually gonna go get my hair braided today. I'm going to a new hairstylist. It's someone I've not been to before. Oh my god, my hair looks so good. I washed it yesterday and then just basically put it into like a little flat twist, so it looks so cute. But yeah, like I am going to get my hair done today. I'm gonna go get it in braids. This is gonna be like my birthday hairstyle because my birthday is in a hot minute. So yeah, super excited for it because I've not done this braid style before, but I've also not been to this person before either. So it's all really exciting. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So I'll film. Oh, my hair feels so soft. It feels so soft. Ugh. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys with me and film the process so you guys can see what I'm getting done, and then yeah, we will kind of go from there. So the next time I see you, I'll probably be in the chair. Hi guys, so I'm actually here getting my hair did. I actually forgot my tripod, annoyingly, so we might have issues trying to film like and getting all of it, but I'll get as much as I can for you. Thank you so much, honey. So yeah, this is basically just like the hair color that I'm going to be going for, and we're going to be doing the Goddess Fulani braids. So I'm just trying to figure out where I can put this. I just kind of want it like a little bit higher so that it's not. Sorry.
No, let's put it on some candles.
Oh yeah, that might be alright. Thank you. It'll be fine because I'll be back here anyway. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, that's fine. Crime documentaries or something.
Did you watch the Menendez brothers?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was.
I think they did it. Well, we know they did it, but I mean, why do you think? Do you think that they were actually like?
It's a sticky one.
It is a little bit, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a sticky one. I would say I believe them.
I'll be honest, I only believe one.
Yeah.
I think I believe the younger brother.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Eric. I think it happened to him most definitely. I don't know if it happened to the older one.
Yeah.
Because the older one was doing dodgy shit, like writing to people and saying, tell them that you my dad did this. Yeah, like towards the end of the thing, he's like got people coming to visit him.
Yeah.
In prison. He's like, so his girlfriend, he's like, say to the police that my dad touched you. And she's like, but he didn't. And she was like, but just say he did. So I went to Braids for All Textures, and the owner of the business is Latarra, who is doing my hair. She essentially sectioned my hair into two halves and then applied a leave-in conditioner on the back part of my hair. This was because the way the style that I was having, essentially it's single braids at the back and then the top part is more of a comb roll style on top of my hair. So she essentially just kind of prepped the hair because we were going for the goddess braids. So you have a couple strands that are loose that kind of sit out, and then obviously the rest of it's braided. We essentially just kind of spent the whole time getting to know each other. I'm gonna say the whole process probably took anywhere from about 5 hours to 5.5, 6 hours to complete. We had a lot of time getting to know each other. She was so lovely, really sweet throughout the whole process. I will be sure to leave her details in the description box, so if you do like her work and you are based in London, then feel free to hit her up. She's got an Instagram account and her work's really, really good. So whatever style you're after, I'm sure she'll be able to execute it and do it like beyond whatever dreams you have for what the style is. Probably just gonna like leave it here for now, and then essentially it'll just be watching me get my hair braided. Latarra was great when it came to me having breaks and stuff and stretching my legs and having a bit of a walk around. She would always assist me in doing so, because obviously throughout the process of doing my hair there was like a lot of hair and it was quite long. She would always kind of help me get around in and out of the chair, which was really helpful and nice of her. I found that she was really meticulous when it came to the braiding of my hair. Like everything was like being mapped out, like the sections and partings were really precise, and it was like very much everything about it that I love. Like the attention to detail was just literally out of this world, and I knew from when I saw her Instagram page and like her work that I was going to have a great execution, which she did.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for.
As we were working on the top part of the style now, I was just basically showing Latarra how the style looked that I wanted to kind of achieve. She basically said that we're going to kind of implement that same kind of style, but that she would also freestyle it a little bit as well. So she lowered me down the chair and then began working on the top K-rows.
She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Latarra. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice.
Color's a good color.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know
That's a good job. Like literally, you see my reference image. She did better than the reference image. So good. Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. Yeah. Thank you. This is my hairstylist. I'll be coming back. I'll be coming back. I'll tag.
I love it. I love it.
Hey guys, so I'm officially home. I thought I would just check in with you guys really quickly for my battery dies on the actual first day of me having my hair done, because I always feel like I never actually get to do that with you guys. I always do it the next day in the morning, and I'm like getting ready for bed, and I'm like, you know what, let me just do it really quickly with you guys now. So I love my hair. Like the whole process was like a really lovely process, and I think I will actually like do another video in relation to that. But I love my hair, I love the color of it. Like literally the reference image that I showed my hairstylist, she smacked it. Like I know I said it probably before in this video, I told her like she really did like do the job. Like it just looks so good. So I actually went for goddess braids with Fulani braids kind of on top, freestyled, and I just love what she did. I just think it looks so good. So good. So I'm super happy. This is essentially my birthday hair. So birthday's coming up, and this is the hair we're gonna be rocking for it. So I'm super excited, and obviously if you haven't yet already, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and I'll see you in the next one.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense, young East African girl.